Hello friends, is your check engine light on, and is your diesel engine running poorly or overheating? If your obd2 scanner shows code P0545, this means your exhaust gas recirculation temperature sensor circuit is malfunctioning. Ignoring this issue can lead to poor fuel economy, rough idling, and even damage to the EGR system. In this video, I'll explain what P0545 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0545? The P0545 code stands for Exhaust Gas Recirculation Temperature Sensor Circuit Low. This means the engine control module is not receiving the correct signal from the EGR temperature sensor. The sensor plays a crucial role in regulating exhaust gas recirculation, which helps control emissions and engine temperature. Common symptoms of P0545. Check engine light is on, rough idling or engine hesitation. Reduced fuel efficiency, increased NOx emissions, possible overheating of the EGR system. If you're experiencing these symptoms, let's locate the faulty sensor. To diagnose P0545, check these key components. EGR temperature sensor. Location. Usually mounted on the EGR tube or intake manifold near the EGR valve. EGR valve. Location. Found on the intake manifold or exhaust system, depending on the vehicle. EGR sensor wiring and connectors. Location. Runs from the EGR temperature sensor to the ECM, often near the firewall. Tip. A faulty EGR temp sensor can cause carbon buildup in the EGR system, leading to performance issues. Common causes of P0545 faulty EGR temperature sensor. If the sensor is damaged or contaminated with carbon deposits, it may send incorrect readings. Wiring issues. Broken, corroded, or loose wires can disrupt the sensor circuit. Faulty EGR valve. A malfunctioning EGR valve can cause temperature sensor issues. ECM malfunction. A rare but possible cause where the ECM is unable to process sensor data correctly. Aftermarket modifications. Removing or blocking the EGR system can cause this error. How to fix P0545. Step 1. Use an obd2 scanner to confirm the P0545 code. Step 2. Inspect the EGR temperature sensor for signs of soot buildup or damage. Step 3. Check the sensor wiring for loose connections, frayed wires, or corrosion. Step 4. Test the sensor with a multimeter to check for resistance changes as the sensor heats up. Step 5. Clean or replace the EGR valve if necessary. Step 6. Clear the code and test drive to ensure the issue is resolved. Ignoring P0545 can lead to reduced performance, increased emissions, and potential engine overheating. Fixing it early will help maintain fuel efficiency and protect your EGR system. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0340. Camshaft position sensor. A circuit malfunction. P0341. Camshaft position sensor. A circuit range performance. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.